What's good, YouTube? What's going on with everybody and what's happening out there? It's your boy Harley, and I'm back with another video. I hope everyone having a great week, and I hope people is prepared for the trading week, and I hope my bad about that one. Forgive me about that one. As I was saying, I hope you're having a great week. You're prepared for the trading week, and we are about to have a superb and wonderful and prosperous profitable week ahead of us. Never mind that like I'm in my bedroom today, like I used to be way before. Like this my first trading station you saw, which I've been in for the longest of time. My bad about that one. My bad about that one. My bad. Like I say, please forgive me for my network. This video going to have cuts and shorts in it. Please forgive me for the shorts and the cuts that you might have in the video, for the baby sounds, the baby crying, and for just hearing sounds which are not basically from me. As I was saying, I guess you have a profitable and prosperous week, and I guess we do what we're supposed to do and what we're meant to do, and we just let the rest be history. As you all know, I always start off on the mass. I've been like looking at the mass. I can tell I can still tell the like structure of the market still clearly indicating a bullish structure. We have price giving us this higher low movement type of behavior, with now price closing at previous market lower highs. Those are the previous market lower high which we had with some type of double top and a continuation to the downside. Now prices pull back to the very same level. So with this now from the daily time frame, the only thing I'm waiting for is to buy or go long once price breaks out or sell with a fail to break and with some big momentum on it. So heading down to the 4H because we can now tell where our daily time frame opened, where our daily time frame closed to end the week. So with this said, we can tell that like we did have a clean double top, we did have a clean double bottom right there. We did have a clean double bottom right there, and price indicated that bullish continuation. So with this, the only thing we're waiting for, because you're in a strong sell zone, only wait for breakout, break and retest, or for fail to break with that momentum and the indication that like price is clearly moving to the downside. So from the 1H, from the 1H, with confirmations to my cells, we have a candlestick called a hangman pattern or hanging man pattern, whatever you can call it, whatever you call it. It might be an indication to me that like if we have a hanging man pattern and if we have a bear candle close above this candle, we can anticipate this lower low and lower high type of movement, or we can just simply wait for price to indicate to us that it's now fairly to go to continue bullish and start looking for that big momentum on the next. So looking at gold from the daily time frame there. So looking at gold from the daily time frame, we can tell that like current price action, looking at what was currently happening, we can tell that like price is still in the bullish uptrend, but we had price now being trading bullish with the correction, and we had that breakout to end the week. The form so with a strong bearish engulfing candles, bullish engulfing candles to end the week. The only thing that we're waiting for is for price to pull back and continue bullish. You follow me? Because now we can tell that like this was just our intraday correction, we had a breakout. So with this, it's either we can just continue with the momentum, or we could just simply wait for price to retest this level and continue bullish, or simply wait for 4H to close above this rejections and start continuing bullish. 1H, just to look for the behavior, can clearly indicate that like if we can at least get a close above this rejection, above this rejection, boom, close above and start looking for that bullish continuation to the upside. So gold, it's still in a clear uptrend. Gold is still in a clear uptrend. We have price also moving in higher highs and higher lows. higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and we have this correction, price breaking out. So we only wait for what? For the continuation to the upside on gold. So looking at German 30, German 30, German 30 is also indicating that bullish sentiment. Boom. We can tell that like with this bullish engulfing candle from a pin bar, we had a pin bar and we had a bullish engulfing candle. So with this, I can say that price actually trapped more sellers than it actually caught more buyers. You form. So with that said, I might head to the 4H because I don't see clearly anything on the 1H on the daily. We can tell that like price has been trading off of this resistance with price breaking out. So with the breakout, we simply wait for a retest and a continuation to the upside of the price. It's not that much and it's not that easy. It's not that hard. You don't need to look for anything else. You just need to simply wait for what? For price to clearly pull back and continue bullish, or for that sentiment for price to clearly just give us the higher highs and higher lows and continue bullish with the sentiment. So on German 30, on US 30, price was trading on a strong sell zone until price ended up breaking out and closing strongly bullish to end the week. So with this engulfing candle, the only thing waiting for is for a continuation candle to the upside because I don't see much and I'm not looking for much. The only thing I can tell is like with that momentum candle, we can actually wait for what a continuation to the upside and start moving bullish. So from 4H, you can tell the light price clearly broke out, higher high, retest, higher low, continuation, closing at a higher high. So if we can get this retest of this higher high, previous higher high, giving us a new higher low, and clearly continue higher, and that will be the behavior and the continuation pattern which we were simply looking for. So on the hourly time frame, because that's where I place most of my trades and that's where I look for more momentum. If we can at least get price pulling back from if we can at least get a pullback or a retest, I mean, and a continuation to the upside, that would be it. If price chooses to break in and retest below, then we might start looking for that day momentum and continue start going bearish. So looking at USD CAD from the 4H, we can tell that like price was moving in the high high and high low sentiment until we had price giving us this high, this low, and this low, not lower than which low, this previous lower low, and price started moving bullish. So with that said, the only thing I might be waiting for is for continuation or confirmation of price trading above this level and continue bullish from the 4H. And looking at the 1H, you can tell that like price is clearly indicating that like with the strong bear move, to the downside, price is clearly like indicating some type of correction if you can clearly look at it or try and just look at it in the overall perspective. You can tell that like price might be trading in a correction. So the only thing we're waiting for is for a breakout either to the upside nor to the downside and start moving bullish with USD CAD. So I don't want to say much and I'm not looking for much. If you can simply get a buy, if you can simply get a close above this level and start continuing bullish, then that's it. Tesla, I can't say much because now price is clearly moving in some type of direction or some type of movement, which I've never seen in my trading life. But we can still wait for those confirmations and continuation trades and continue moving bullish with Tesla. So looking at Bitcoin from the 4H, my bad for not starting at the 1H. From the 4H, we can tell that like price had this rejection and gave us this double top, and now price came back again. Current market price to the very same level. So now with that said, the only thing we're waiting for is for price to clearly close from this level. Looking at this perspective, if you can get a close above, if you can get a close below, if you can get a close below and a retest and a continuation to the downside, that will be it. Or if you can indicate, or if price can just give us that confirmation that like it might be trading like this or like that, then we might still go for it. But to me, I still see now price giving us a rejection coming to support it, planning to break off of it, and this might be a strong level to look at, my new resistance to look at, and continue looking for the big momentum to the downside. From the 1H, we did have a bull flag. We did have a bull flag, current price, push, correction, break, retest, continuation. But now the bulls are not maintaining or sustaining the impact which the bears are having in the charts. And now price is kind of like trading in that bear type of behavior. You form with now price giving us what? Giving us this rejection, bear momentum, and this bear continuation. If we can simply get a break of this level, with the breakout retest, we can simply start looking for that lower low, lower high movement. But I still see Bitcoin being bearish. I don't see it crossing the $25,000 mark. But if it do, then that's it. But to me, I don't see it. Looking at Ethereum also had this type of flag pattern with breakout, and now price is trading back in at this level. If you can simply, if you can simply get, if you can simply get, if you can simply get this breakout and retest and continuation, or break off those highs, retest, continuation to the upside. That will be my take. That will be my take. Not looking for much, not looking for less, because I can tell that like price has been trading off this, has been holding the support level for some time. If we can simply get this fail to break and this break of those highs and a retest of those highs and a continuation, then that's it. Or if you can get a break below and a retest and a start of that bear momentum, that's also it. So looking at Litecoin, because a nigga live too late. Come on, Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin did break out. Litecoin did close below with a double top, but now price is not maintaining or sustaining that level. The only thing I might look for is for buys above this level or sales below this level. You feel me? That's the only thing I might be looking for. Buys above, sells below. That's my family for you. On the H. Yeah, we are holding up those levels. If you can get a buy, if you can get a close below, if you can get a close above, if you can get a close above those highs, then we continue bullish. Close below these lows, then we start going bearish. And to be honest, I do see those cryptos and those indices being bearish for the week, but we start looking, we wait for confirmations and those momentums that confirm that like we are moving bearish and moving bearish. Last but not least, we're looking at oil. Oil is still in that bear momentum, high highs and high lows, high highs and high lows. Pricing finally tapped that level and not maintaining it. So we have now price failing to break this level, closing strongly bearish to end the week. So from my 4H perspective, it's either we can get a fail to break this double top and continue bullish, or we can get the breakout and retest and start moving bearish with price and continue moving bearish with price. So from the 1H, it's confirmed. It's either we can tap off that level, it's either we can maintain this level and continue bullish or break off that level and move bearish on oil. So So I'm looking starting on NAS. I failed to break that resistant level, that intraday resistant level. We go bearish, break out, we continue bullish. Gold above those rejections, simply continue bullish. We simply continue bullish on German 30 with the retest of the level which it broke out, or the pullback or higher low or whatever that we might get confirmation to continue bullish. We have a retest of the break of the higher high with the new higher low, with the new higher low pattern, and continue bullish. USD CAD buys above those highs, continue bullish. Tesla, I can't say much. Bitcoin, we have a filter break with the triple top. If you can get a break of the intraday support level, we start going bearish. Ethereum, break of the support level, we continue, we start moving bearish. Fail to break, we continue bullish. Bitcoin buys above those lows. Okay, we go bullish with the break above highs. We go bearish with the break above, with the break below lows. Oil, if we hold our support level, we continue bullish, But if we can't hold it and break it, we start going bearish. So that's a boy once again, Harlem. If you ain't, I've shared them with Harlem. Who's a fuck? You should doing it with it. And not to say much, I just wish everyone a profitable week. Stay disciplined, stay committed, keep on working, enjoy everything, and just be yourself all the time. Just block all distractions and all obstacles and just be yourself at all times. It's your boy once again. Once I'm done with this, I might look at other pairs, which I usually look at, and just spend my day in my bedroom. And I'm gonna be eating my yogurt, and I'm having chocolate, and I'm having water, and I have my YouTube, and I have YouTube on my phone. So YouTube boy once again, Harlem. If you ain't out chatting with Harlem, who the fuck is you doing up with it? And like I said, forgive me for the voices or the sounds that you might hear from the baby or my family in the living room. It's just my family. We're happy, we enjoy, and we're living out our full potential. If you ain't out chatting with me, who the fuck is you doing it with? That's all I got. Peace and love. Peace and love. I'm out.